This one? Look at Noah decorating the tree. Look at all the pretty lights. Got a big tree this year, don't we, kiddo? And there's Dad plugging everything in. Let's go look at the pretty lights, Noah. Go look at the Look at the pretty lights. Pretty, pretty. No. Don't touch. Don't touch, just look. No, don't touch, kiddo. Come here, come on. Just look. Pretties, hey?
What's that there? Is that from Santa? Hey, did Santa bring you this? Holy man. Here. Why don't you use the door? Look. Come on. Look. There. Get in. Close the door. There you go. Yay! Oh.
So what do you think, Pumpkin? Hi. Yay, hi. Oh. Holy cow.
Hey, what's that, man?
It's a Lego table.
see.
No,
It's not a Lego table, it's a table.
It's
It's a normal table.
It's your Lexus car, eh?
yeah.
1, 2, 3.
When you can transfer Lego to your bed.
There's another one for Noah.
Who's going next?
That's for Noah.
Yeah.
I didn't realize you hear my heart? Let me look in your ears.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, look in this ear. Oh, can I look here? Come here. Have you got toys?
Where's that screwdriver?
Yeah, you don't have to. Yeah. Oh, go look in Dad's ears. Go look in Dad's ears.
Nope, it's okay. Look, we'll go.
No, that's not yours. You've got lots of toys. You come out here. You've got lots of new toys. Where's the other toys? You've got lots of new toys.
Is that cool?
I got him this. Oh. I got him this and I got Papa that. And I got Matt. Yeah, we know it.
You gotta share those.
I can play Spider-Man.
How'd you do?
Oh, did I do? Yeah. Good.
Yep, I got it. You got that. Any two. Did you look at? Oh, you didn't throw your tube?
Mom!
No way.
I can play Spider-Man.
I haven't tried it on, but I'm sure it will.
I can play Spider-Man because I have the
I think this one is.
I have the Punisher.
No, mine hat. Yeah, mine hat. You okay, Matthew?
Where's your next stop after Turkey Ruins? Oh, Saskatoon.
There.
This recording.
He's okay.
Boom, crash. What, are you doing the Dukes of Hazzard? Going in through the window? Back up. Back up. Well, there's a fun game. Hey, gorgeous. Hi. There you go. Hi.
Oh, if it displays pH, it means the room temperature is too cool.
You like that?
Told him he's not supposed to play with the stack.
Yeah.
Because he goes over there, he opens it up, he's reaching inside, and he goes, no, 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 and he closes it.
He knows it's not. Be careful, because he comes and opens it.
Because yeah, he usually does that when it's something he knows he's not supposed to be doing. He usually goes, no, no, no.
You having some juice?
You left your little one here?
Yes. I think I must have grabbed one of Lana's because I've got some extra ones, so.
Oh yeah, my legs sticking
Some
out
extra ones.
of the drinking cups there.
So many toys. What do I do?
This morning it was so cute. He wanted everything in that little car with him. He took all his toys and he tried to putting them in the car.
Got some trucks.
Every little boy should have tongs.